What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So we came back from Tokyo, Japan pretty recently, and I did bring something back. I did bring car parts back, so we're gonna install it in today's video. So it is small enough and light enough that I could technically carry it with me on my hand carry luggage. So this is from a pretty reputable S2000 brand, ASM. Unfortunately, they did not have too many S2000 parts or related brands at Tokyo Auto Salon. There was just one S2000 I spotted, which was at the ASM booth. So if you guys don't know ASM, they're a huge brand when it comes to S2000s. They also do sell a lot of Recaro seats. So I really wanted to pick up an ASM shift boot, but they were out of stock at the event. And this trip to Tokyo, I did not get to check out ASM headquarters, unfortunately. But I did purchase these little guys. So you guys might be wondering what these are. Alright, so here's a closer look. These are ASM shoulder covers. So I do have Recaro seats. So it pretty much goes like that on the side. And it kind of feeds your seat belt. Dress up part really doesn't do much. Little ASM logo, black and red stitching. I don't need any parts, it's just held by Velcro. As for what Recaro seats these fit, the models are here. I have an SR4, and I did ask some of the guys working for ASM. SR7s, the newer ones. My SR4s are older model, but they should fit. So here, look at my Recaro SR4 Bobcat seats. Love these seats. And I really wanted to pick up the ASM shift boot. You guys can see my shift boot is a little bit worn. And the black and red stitching will be perfect. It goes to the color combo of the car. Hopefully next trip. For ASM stuff, I also do have an ASM steering wheel. I actually bought this from my buddy in Malaysia, Eugene. Bought this from him a couple years back. It's a Momo ASM steering wheel. Put on some nice Chasing J's Grady titanium hot wear. Besides that, I also do have ASM bits in the engine bay. So here's a quick look at my engine bay. I love my JDM bling. We do have an ASM strut bar. Some burnt titanium strut bar. This is actually the X brace. So you have a strut bar up here, and then you have an X-shaped brace that goes all the way down. So pretty cool. Besides that, we don't really have any other parts from ASM. But yeah, pretty cool to have some small little bits that I'm able to say I picked up from Japan. So without further ado, let's go ahead and install those parts. So no tools needed. And as you guys can see, it just pretty much goes right here. So right now we have the stock seat belts, and constantly rubs over here. Over time, abrasion might wear out the seat. So hopefully you should be able to go right here and protect the seat a little bit better. Alright, just like that, 5-second install. We have both driver and passenger sides done. What do you guys think? Here's a little close up. Like I said, you have a little ASM logo here. Down to your little button. It says ASM Yokohama, Japan. Little details. I think it goes well. Matches the seat. So hope you guys like that really simple DIY install. Whether it's a big or small modification, I'm always really excited because that means I'm changing up how my car looks, feels, or sounds. So yeah, stay tuned. We have so much more plans for the S2000. We do have parts stashing. You see the huge box up there, Voltex parts. We do have parts from Car Shop Glow. So yeah, stay tuned. There's gonna be a bunch more parts that'll be on the car soon this year. Hope you guys like it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, I was gonna end the video, but speaking of ASM, this is the ASM car that we saw at Tokyo Auto Salon. This is actually a HyperRev magazine I got over at 8-Pit Auto Box in Tokyo. But yeah, this was the car. They have the race car. Would be cool to see the race car. But we saw the more street version. Also, shout out to our buddy Memo, fellow S2000 owner. He picked up this sticker at Tokyo Auto Salon from ASM booth. I didn't see it. He gave me one of these, so little ASM car. So this is actually gonna go in my car stuff shrine with all the other S2000 stuff. I did pick up that sticker for myself, so yeah, that's gonna join the rest of the other S2000 goodies I have.